how to fix SafePal app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can fix SafePal application not working. So if your SafePal application is not working, there are certain steps that you can take in order to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. The first thing you should do is to check your internet connection. So if you do not have a stable internet connection, you might not be the app might not function well. All right, the app might be malfunctioning because of that. So to check your internet connection, just go to the top right corner and then check out how connected your data is to the internet. And also you can also make use of internet tests platforms to check out how fast your internet connection is. All right, you can use fast.com, for example, or any other application or any other sites that you can use. And then another thing you can try is to update your SafePal application. If you are making use of the older version of SafePal, it's likely to have some issues. And so, how do you update? Go to your Play Store and launch your Play Store. And so, once your Play Store application, you'll be brought to the page automatically, your own page, where you'd see a number of options, right? Then move to the top part of the screen, click on the search box, and then type out the name of the application, which is SafePal. And so after tapping it out, you'll be brought to the page where you see details about the application. So if there is a recent update on the application, on the page or on the area where you can see open, instead of open, you'll see the option update instead. So just click on it and update the application. That's one way. And by doing that, check out the application and it should be working by now. But if it's still not working, another thing you can try is to clear cache and data. To do that, go to your settings, okay, and open up your settings application. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you can see app management and select it. On the app management page, click on app list, and so click on search applications and then search out the applications. All right, in this case it's SafePal, okay, and then click on search and wait for the application to be displayed. Once it has been displayed, click on it, then click on storage and cache. Then on the storage and cache page, move to the bottom right corner and click on clear cache. And so go back and relaunch your application. Then if you've tried this and it still doesn't work, another thing you can try is to restart your device. All right, sometimes simply restarting your device can resolve app issue. And also you can try uninstalling and then reinstalling the application from your Google Play Store or from your Apple Play app or your Apple App Store, depending on where you got the application from. So try all of this, and I'm sure that your application would be up and running. Thank you for watching and have a good day.